What's up guys? It's been a few weeks since I have filmed anything. We've been super busy. Kids all back to school, missus back to work. I'm starting a job now next week. So the update on the garage is it's grown loads of grass, but I do have a fella coming in 2 months coming in to do the concrete on it, so then I can finish the rest, but just have to save up some dollars. The Mini still needs the manifold taken off, welded, put back together, and the front lip needs to be painted, a few bits and pieces for Japfest. Also the Fiat, I am starting the body work on that during the week. I just have a load of tattoos to do before I actually go to work, so a bit of money saved for that then. So I just need to scotch this down, get it ready for paint, but I will be using this for work. I'll be driving it back and forth. I'm just doing a part-time job while the kids are in school, and then I can collect them. So this just needs a little bit of body work on this side, so we're going to do a few bits and pieces on that. Quarter panel needs to be polished on it, flat and polished, because there's a big scratch on it that will come out. Also here, there's a mark here. Someone opened the door at a show and absolutely bent the shit out of the door here. I don't have a check strap on it, and that's what stops the door from opening all the way, but someone obviously, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's like a ripple there. Obviously the door just hit this. There's a scratch here, and there's a few marks on the car that will be getting fixed before Japfest, getting windscreen visor and back screen sticker, and then good clean, front lip fixed, and new rad manifold will be getting wrapped, and it'll be all nice and tidy and cleaned up for Japfest. So yeah, first thing we're going to do, just take this lip off. Hiya! Now, next is the grill. Now I just need to take this bar off, and then I can start loosening this manifold to get it off. Rightio, that's all off now. I'm just going to undo the manifold, take the lambda sensor out of it, undo it here, take it off, and then we'll have a look at where it's blowing. Now, much wiggling later, we have the manifold off. So at least now I can get this sump off and change that gasket and put some more. It's missing about a nut here and one on the back as well, so it is missing a few, so maybe it's just leaking because of them. But skid plate looks a bit worse for wear, and there's our crack right there. So it just needs to be ground down and welded, and that's it. I also ordered some heat wrap, so we'll be getting heat wrapped. I'm going to clean it up though. I'm going to clean up some of the welds, make sure it's not blowing from any of those, clean up where it bolts onto the engine, and I'm going to clean up all this. I might even get a new manifold gasket, but yeah, I'm going to give in here a clean as well. It's absolutely manky, so we will give all in there a clean and make sure that's tip top shape. Oh, definitely going to get a new one of these because this one's in 3 pieces. Not good, but yeah, a lot of charcoal in there. She's looking clean, nothing in there that shouldn't be, so let's go. So the heat wrap came for the manifold. I don't have the manifold back yet, but hopefully I'll have it back early next week. I can get it all wrapped up with this, back on the car, and good as new. All done and welded up. Now I'm going to clean it all up here and wrap it. Let's go. I'm in severe credit card debt. So this is what I got off Steve-O over in Iconic Auto Design. Brand new shampoo. That's the exhaust gasket, exhaust manifold gasket. Then I got all new nuts and bolts, new sump washer, nuts and bolts for the sump, and then I got some really good oil, the best of the best for the Mini because it does need good oil. But yeah, let's get this all fitted. I'm going to take the rad out of the Mini, clean up everything behind it, put the rad back in, new coolant in, manifold on, well, drain the sump, do that, and then do the manifold, get it all back up and running, and then we're golden. So yeah, I'm going to leave it here. I'll show you the Mini at the end of the video. And now, while it's windy but the weather is nice, as you can see, sun split in the sky, we're going to get all this done. So I'm just going to clean all this up, do the sump, and get it all back together. Just a quick update. all done. Took it off, all new nuts and bolts underneath, cleaned it inside and out. Brand new washer on the sun plug, and I'm just going to get all this on now and get it back down on the ground. Now all that's on nice and tight, exhaust and all is cooked up, just need to put all the oil in. Before I put the car down, I'm going to drain all of the coolant out of the whole system and redo it, because I bought a 25 litre drum of it and it hasn't been done in about 5 years, so may as well do a refresh on that as well. Now that's most of it out. What I'm going to do is, when I let the car down, I let it drain out on the ground a bit and then fill it up, let the car run and bleed it out. Success, all done. Just need to put the grille on. Front lip is getting sent off to my mate John at Dipworks. Gonna get it painted and maybe dipped in something nice, and then job's a good one. So also the Fiat has new discs and pads. We're gonna do the drive shafts during the week, but that's it for now. So I've been growing another me on my face, absolute awful pain of it. But yeah, that's it guys. Long video I did just for the two cars, just to get them done. I have to go back to parts of cars to get different spark plugs because them ones didn't fit, and then I can do the service on the Fiat and then off the paint. So yeah, peace out, thanks for watching, see you in the next one, and be dedicated. Peace.